Very beautiful art book we have here, a first edition from Langford Press. It's John Busby's Lines from Nature, and the saving from the original price of £38 is £26 because we're selling it for just £12. A member of the Royal Scottish Society of Painters in Watercolour, these deceptively simple marks show a lifelong observation of birds and estuary scenes. Not just in Scotland, but also in Mallorca, Eleonora. There are periwinkles and herons, gannets, a brightly coloured male Palestine sunbird, a beautiful female merlin, snowy owls outside Edinburgh, hares boxing, a gambolling, looping stoat, and these soft, dreamy, impressionistic watercolours are most appealing. And actually for budding artists, a lot of these can be used as preparatory drawings to help with artists create lifelike bird shapes. Many, many close encounters with wildlife. This is for nature lovers and art lovers beyond. It's only £12, Lines from Nature, from bibliophileBooks.com.